snowstorm.
Look on the tablet.
Let me see.
No way. There's none. Yes, there is.
Well, there is a snowstorm. But I don't think that it's coming. But, well, it's coming, but it's not here.
Yes, it is.
No, it isn't.
Yes, it is.
No, I can't even see if it's out, Megan. And there's darkness out there.
So?
Oh, the power is probably going to go out. Great. And now y'all woke me for no reason. Oh.
She's a little attitude.
Yeah.
She's all in an attitude still. Oh no, the power went out. Let's wake up Sis again. Fix this, The power went out. Do we have a light?
I don't know.
Check on the stool by the vanity.
Look, there's one right here.
Okay, good.
I don't know. I can't see where to turn it on.
I know how to feel.
Oh.
Okay, good. Do we have a light? Oh, and good thing we have Sadie to keep us comfortable.
What the heck?
In my door.
Why did the power
It's getting cold, sister. I'm really cold. Do we have any blankets?
No, we don't.
It's really cold. What is this? How are you so calm? It's raining and you're literally just messing with a poppet?
Because I have bought sleep and the whole never bothers me anyways.
Okay, cool. You and your Frozen.
Ugh.
What are we going to do? It's so cold.
I don't know. Shall we?
Hey, I was using that.
It's mine.
Let me use that.
Sis, what are y'all rabbits?
It's mine.
It's
It's
mine.
mine. It's mine.
Stop! Give
Can
me.
I-
It's
No.
mine.
Well, this is mine.
Well, this is mine.
Hey, no, that's not all of it. Fine, take it. I'll be right back.
Can't believe the power actually went out. What should we do? What do you want to do? It's so getting kind of cold.
Yeah.
Oh. Well, do you maybe wanna? Well, we don't have any water because our pipes were already broken, and now they're frozen.
Yeah.
What are we supposed to do? I think we should try going back to sleep.
Wait, guys, doesn't mean I can't use my iPod. Oh, yeah, the power's off.
Yeah.
I can't even use my iPod. Come here, Evie.
What are y'all doing? I cannot even believe
I'll be
it.
right back.
Oh, it's so getting so dark.
I'm cold. I'm freezing. Can I go back to sleep now?
Yeah, try going back to sleep. We'll see what it looks like in the morning. Guys, do you want to go to
Hey,
see?
Evie, I just realized you have an iPad.
Y'all want to
Oh.
go to the front door to see
Power's
if it's
off.
snowing?
Power's off. Maybe
Mine
I can-
works.
No. Power's off.
We have nothing to do on our iPads.
And my iPod.
Y'all want to go see if it's snowing outside?
Yeah. Come on, let's go see if it's snowing. Come on, Moses.
No, I'm really tired.
Look, it'll be okay. We'll just. Okay, tell Evie. Okay, I'll be right back.
Guys, Evie, we don't know what to do and we're really scared. I just whispered that to Megan. But, yeah, we're just so scared, right? because Mom and Dad are asleep and we have nothing to do. Well, let's go see, because the light is out.
We have a light, I hope.
No, we're walking without a light.
Okay.
No, we're not. We're walking with a light. But we're going to go see if it's snowing. Come on.
My iPod wants over there. I'm just going to see, because I want to get a video. I can go on a video thing.
Here, talk to them real fast. I'm scared too.
Hello, so it's extreme dark and I'm really scared right now. I'm the littlest sister. The power just came back on.
What?
Yeah.
What the heck? The fan and everything just came back on.
Sis, power on. Yay.
Oh, we can finally go to sleep now.
Finally.
Finally.
Oh well. Come on. Miss the power went off again.
Why does it keep doing that?
Just going on my phone to play Prank Master.
Oh,
I
well,
wanted to beat you in Prank Master.
guys,
because the power was off.
let's go see if it's snowing outside.
I'm gonna see if I can get on my video. My video thing. So it might work.
The light
Oh,
is like making
This
a
light's
really,
on
really,
over
really,
here.
really,
Look, sis, I'm on video.
Guys, let's go to the one over here.
Hey guys, I know this kind of crazy.
Let me flip the camera.
And so I'm gonna
It's kind of dark.
show you guys if it's snowing, because we think it's snowing outside. Yeah, let's see. More snow.
Okay, let's check. It's snowing.
Take the plug out.
Wow, that's so cool. I think we should try going to sleep now, because only half of the house has power, which is so weird, because a second ago, none of it has power. We're going to try to go to sleep, guys. I love y'all. Please subscribe and hope to pray for us. Bye, guys.